Okay, this is how the one-to-one frame holder comes in this cardboard box. This cardboard box is perfect for transporting your frame holder once it actually has bees in it. You can pop it back in here, keeps it nice and dark and cool while you're moving the bees to where you want them. All you need to do is just add some ventilation holes through the box and through the polystyrene. So in the box is the frame holder and then the pins that'll keep the lid in place. Okay, let's go get some bees for it. Now we've got the bees in here on the frame, we'll pop these pins through, which not only keep the lid on, but keep the frame in place. So, as you can see, they're safely in there. This frame holder is made of 5mm clear polycarbonate, so it should be pretty safe. Holds one DN1 or DN4 standard British standard frame. As you can see, there's holes for ventilation along the top and both sides, and 2 feeding pods which will take set or creamed honey or fondant. Not ideal for liquid feed or runny honey. And while they're in here, you can also drip or spray water through the sides if you need to cool them down.